Imagine the universe. This site is amazing. Acquire quality data, they can use high-end equipment, affordable, premium data, premium location, premium equipment. Hello everyone, this is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor, and today we are going to know a little bit more about Photoshop. This data is perfect. It's from Image the Universe, ITU. Let's see. If you don't know ITU, Image the Universe, go to the link on the description that you will go to the site. It's amazing. Let's show today edit an image. Edit is very simple. Let's do some here. We are going to see later in curves. We are going to see later this. We have edit. Undo merge down. I made a merge down movement. So if you are going to use undo merge down or Ctrl Z, it will go back. You go back. The merge down you erase. Now we are going to use for is backwards. Alt Ctrl Z. The image is gonna be backwards. Let's do again. Ctrl Alt Z. The process is gone. The curves. Let's see. Step forwards. Shift Ctrl Z. It will create again. Phase. We are not going to use that. Merge down. Edit, copy. Let's see. Let's select this region. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and we created a new one. Paste. We will paste. Ctrl A, Ctrl A, and Ctrl C. Ctrl A. Select everything. Ctrl C, copy. Ctrl V, paste. Amazing. Let's delete that. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and create a copy of the image. It's very simple. Paste is to paste. Fill is to fill the image. In this case, with a blank background. Edit. Stroke. Let's do 10 pixels. I never use stroke. I know, and we are not going to use stroke. And this is we are not going to use. No, we are not going to use any more of this. Let's do image. This is very important. Very important. Image mode. The mode you need to do in 16 bits. RGB color. If the image is like this, let me see. Is the image mode grayscale? The image is black and white. But you know the image is not black and white. You go to RGB. Now I transformed the image in grayscale. But sometimes the image will show color, but the image mode is not. Let's do this. The image mode, let me see, mode is going to be the grayscale. The image is not black and white, but the image is showing that's grayscale. And when the image is grayscale, the curves are different. The curves go to the right, to the right. If the image, let me see here, image mode RGB, they go to the left. The scale go to the left. This is very interesting. Let's see, adjustments, brighten and contrast, brighten. Let's cancel that. Do this. Let's close and open again. Open with Photoshop CS6. Image, adjustments, brighten, contrast. Brighten is to increase the brightness of the image. Contrast is to change the contrast of the image. Look, this is a thing that we are going to see later in the video. Let's do OK. Let's do levels and go to info. You select here. The RGB is good because this is here. See this. This is, oh, it's 8, 9, 10. We want this gray, this sky to be a 20, 25, 15, more or less like this. This image is not good here. Let's come back. Let's do Ctrl Alt Z and go to levels. Levels is very simple. You selected here the black point, the white point, and the image is adjusted to those levels. You can put here, push this here. You can select the black, but you are going to use not black, not pure black. You are going to use 35, 35, 35, or 30. 30 can be 30, 35. Okay. Now the white point. It will not go to be 250-50. It will be 235. 235. Okay. Okay. Adjustments. Curves. Curves will change the variation of the luminosity. The image will be different. Each one we're going to be using a different kind. Here the black point, here the white point. Remember, not blue black, not pure white. Okay. I like this image. Let's do image adjustments, exposure. Exposure is to increase the exposure of the image. Offset, it should change some features of the image. Gamma correction, change something here too. I never use, but it has some uses. I saw some people using this, but I don't use. Vibrance. Vibrance, increase and decrease the vibrance. I love a lot of vibrance, but it's not so good to use. Saturation, less 100 is black and white, and the opposite is the saturation, the maximum saturation. It's not so good to use. Let's cancel image adjustments, hue saturation. Hue saturation is same thing here. If you want to change the color of the image, change the hue. You change and the image is going to be the image that you like. The image will be fantastic. Saturation will increase the saturation and the lightness will increase the lightness. Amazing. Let's do OK. I love this image. Let's do some levels. Push here, push here, push this here too. And you can in the levels go to green, push here, the blue, push here, and the red, push here. But I'm not going to use. Let's close. Image adjustments, color balance. This is to balance this color. Let's do a lot. Red, green, here. OK. Image adjustments, black and white. It will create a black and white image. This is very useful to fast black and white your image. Let's Ctrl Z. Adjustments, photo filter. Photo filter is to create a filter. Very simple. You put here OK. It will create a filter. Let's do again this. Photo filter. Photo filter. Look the difference of the image. If I used a red one, the image will be a lot of red. In the background too. The background will be red. This is not good. Let's come back. Ctrl Z. Ctrl A Alt Z. Adjustments. Channel mixer is to mix all the channels. This is very useful. Very useful for creating a synthetic channel. Channel mixer, you go to red, green, blue. You are going to use this to the image colors change to create a synthetic channel for the green. Color lookup. I never use this. Let's do this OK. And the image did not show anything. Let's come back. We are not going to use. Invert is to invert your image. When you invert the image, let's see here, you see all these stars, these regions, this detail. Very interesting. Let's come back. Ctrl Z. Image adjustments, posterize is to create a poster. To create a poster with the posterize option. The image not looking good. Ctrl Z. Image adjustments, threshold. It's to change the threshold. This is useful. Sometimes a lot of people use this threshold option. I never use, but it have some uses. Gradient map. We are not going to use this. Selective color. Let's see. Let's come back. Adjustments, selective color, Let's increase that. And did not change so much. Adjustments, shadows and real lights. This is good also. The details, the shadows, but the image look like strange. The image is like posterized. HDR toning. I never use HDR toning. Some people use. I know this is a powerful tool, but I don't use. Okay. The image a little bit, so let's create Ctrl Z. Change a little bit of the image. Adjustments. You are going to see this in another video. The desaturate, match color, replace color, equalize. Let's do auto tone. It should also create a tonalization of the image. Auto contrast. The image is now a lot of better than the previous. Oh look, the alignment is not good here. These stars, the alignment is not good. Let me see. Image, auto color. Auto color, you correct some the color. Image size. This is important. If you want to change the image size to post on the web, you going to put 500. Go OK, and you will create the image, small image. If you want, you can create a bigger image, but the size of the archive will be a lot of very big. Let's come back. If you are liking this series of videos about Photoshop, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and go to the ring and put the ring to you receive all notifications about my channel. Image canvas size. It should change the canvas size. I'm not going to change. Image rotation. Flip canvas horizontal. It's good when the image is not so precise in the picture. Image. Let's select it here. Let's select crop. Image crop is to cut just the region that you selected. Let's come back. Image trim. I never use trim. Duplicate is to duplicate the file. Apply image. No, we are not going to use that. Calculations, no. Analytics, also no. In the next video, we are going to see the layer page. Thank you guys. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel and go and put a like to help the divulgation. Yes guys, this is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor. Goodbye.